Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about our last period, which is known as breakup block. So, we are going to release what are the period we have outer block, family block, mitigation block, and last period is breakup block. So, in this video, I am not teaching a theory part. I will explain it to diagram. Okay, how to mark them? There are two types of breaker block. There are two types of breaker block, bearish breaker block and bullish breaker block. And how to mark the line chart. First, you have to know how to mark the line chart. After learning that, in the next video, I will teach you how to draw the breaker block in the line market. So, first step, the market need to break the signal, which is known as theory. After that, the market need to form a market structure shift. So, which is known as trend change. This can be known as market structure shift. This area is known as market structure shift. So, it's step two to the market to create a market structure shift. After the market structure shift, the last down close red candle. This is a red candle. So, you need to find last down close bearish candle is known as bearish breaker block. And then the market goes down. When market touches this bearish breaker block, then you can place your entry here. Now you need to know about what is the breaker block. First, you need to consider the higher high. After that, the market structure shift. The last round first bearish candle is known as bearish breaker block. Second, we are going to see what bullish breaker block. Here we are going to see a higher high. Here we are going to see a lower low. When market break out the lower low, after the second confirmation, this is known as market structure shift. When market structure shift, now we are waiting for a market structure shift. After market structure shift, we are waiting the last upper green candle is known as this bullish candle is known as bullish breakout. And then the market breakout this after reaching here, we find it is known as bullish breakout. So I have teach you about what is the breaker block, types of breaker block. Next video I will teach you how to draw this breaker block in the live market. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.